Shiba Inu coin about to make overnight millionaires. Very explosive Shiba Inu coin price prediction. Can Shiba Inu make me rich? What will Shiba Inu be worth in the next 5 to 10 years? And if I invest in SHIB token today, how rich can it make me in the next few years? Put simply, yes. Looking at Shiba Inu's past price action, its overall return on investment and wild spike in prices in the last 3 months, one can conclude that SHIB tokens have the portent of making you super rich, if it sustains this momentum. Today we're going to talk all about the potential of Shiba Inu and can this coin make you an overnight millionaire. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 7th of November, shall we? Shiba Inu coin has been trading inside a range for a long time, since June, following the crash in May. On the daily chart, we see that this cryptocurrency has been trading between 55 millionths of a dollar and 65 millionths of a dollar for several days, which is a good range to trade, buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Although we saw a piercing of the surge earlier this month, during the surge in the crypto market. But there was no close below it, so it didn't count as a break, and the range trading continued after the price bounced right back up. That shows that the buying pressure is strong down there. SHIB recovered most of the losses from this past week, with a 50% rally yesterday and a considerable price swing. However, the big question is if SHIB made a lower high. At the time of this post, SHIB is still trying to make a move above the key resistance at 63 millionths of a dollar. A failure to close above it would confirm the lower high, and that would likely lead to the bears taking control of the price again. The price is currently holding well above the 55 millionths of a dollar support level, but another break below that would encourage bears to push SHIB lower. Now let's get back to the topic. Looking at Shiba Inu's past price action, its overall return on investment and wild spike in prices in the last 3 months, one can conclude that SHIB tokens have the portent of making you super rich, if it sustains this momentum. This argument is also confirmed by crypto experts and SHIB investors, who are hugely optimistic that the token prices will continue soaring for the next few years. But just how rich can you get from investing in the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer token? Well, there's no straight answer for this because it's largely dependent on the point at which you bought your Shiba Inu tokens. But considering that the ERC20 only token has a 10-month ROI of 590,000%, you can now imagine how rich you would be today if you bought the cryptocurrency when it launched in August 2020. If we talk about the success story, 38-year-old Tommy and 42-year-old James, who don't want their last names revealed to protect their anonymity, had put a few $100s in a strange digital asset called Shiba Inu coin, a spin-off from Dogecoin, so basically a parody of a parody. A coin was worth a fraction of a dime, but a friend who happened to be a crypto expert told them he believed it could be a big moneymaker. I've been thinking about Bitcoin. That was once a fraction of a penny, and now it's tens of thousands of dollars. And that happens to people. It's possible, said Tommy. I trusted my boyfriend and thought to myself, if it goes to zero, that's fine. I saw it as a lottery ticket that didn't expire. Less than 2 months after her first investment in late February, her life changed. It was their father's birthday, and instead of giving him a card, they made him a millionaire. Cryptocurrency valuations exploded in 2021. After years of ignoring or mocking Wall Street, cryptos, including established players like Bitcoin and lesser-known altcoins, have enjoyed unprecedented investor interest. Bitcoin has risen nearly 70% since January, and Dogecoin, which started out as a joke and is still worth less than $1, has risen more than 11,000%, according to CoinDesk. But cryptocurrencies are also extremely risky, unregulated investments. It's known that prices fluctuate widely, and digital currencies bring other unique risks, such as the potential for a hacked server, deleted file, or lost password that could result in investors being locked out of their funds forever. James and Tommy rolled the dice and initially invested $200 each. They also presented the idea to their mother, father, sister, and a few other family members. My mom and sister were skeptical, but they also invested $100 each, said Tommy. After a couple of weeks, when it was up 300%, they pocketed another $100 each, and then it kept going up. In total, the group invested nearly $8,000. Prior to the pandemic, the brothers' main income came from filming weddings, but the COVID-19 outbreak nearly brought their businesses to a standstill. Instead of booking 30 to 40 weddings this year, they didn't do more than 8. "We kind of fell through the cracks," said Tommy. "The government stimulus checks weren't enough to support us. I'm a positive person, but it was really difficult not knowing the future. It was scary." As her investment in Shiba coins increased, it was hard to believe that her fortune had changed. While filming a wedding in mid-April, they kept half an eye on their investment, which quickly rose to $128,000 and kept rising. "We woke up the next morning and it doubled. We said, 'Oh my God,'" said Tommy. "Then it went up to $900,000 and I told my brother it was going to hit $1 million. I kept updating my phone. It happened the next day. The day it hit $1 million, my mom and sister didn't think it was real. The family's initial stake of $7,900 as of today is worth nearly $11.5 million. CNN Business confirmed the value via the wallet and transaction history. So is Shiba Inu a good long-term investment? Interestingly, Shiba Inu started as a joke, created around the hype to compete with Dogecoin. Right now, however, it's anything but a joke. Its developers are rushing against time and trying to give it credence by establishing the ShibaSwap decentralized exchange and trying to have the token listed on key exchanges. How the exchange and listing with Popular pans out will, to a large extent, determine whether Shiba Inu is a sustainable brand or if it will fall off the crypto map. But is it a good long-term investment? And how much can I make from buying SHIB tokens today? Well, Shiba Inu can, if only it sustains the current momentum. And we will examine how rich a SHIB token investment can make you by way of an example. Let's assume Shiba Inu prices continue rising and hit the highs of 1/10,000th of a dollar by December 2026, as forecasted by cryptocurrency price prediction website. This translates to a 5,007% price jump. Now, if you had invested $1,000 in the Dogecoin Killer token today, your investment will be worth $50,070. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!